Hello, and welcome to Field Ascend. In this video, we're going to walk through Job Presets, a feature that lets you create reusable templates for your most common job types, so you can create fully pre-filled jobs in one click instead of entering the same details over and over again. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a preset, save it, and use it to create a new job. Okay, head to Setup, Job Options, and then press the Manage Presets button. You'll be taken to the Job Presets page. Now click Create New Preset. The first thing you need to give your preset is a name. This is how it'll appear in the drop-down when you create jobs, so make it descriptive. For this example, let's call it Annual Boiler Service. Below that, you'll see collapsible sections. Let's work through them. Basic details. This is where you set the default job fields. I'll set the title to Annual Boiler Service, the category to Fire Test, the status to In Progress, the urgency to P2, and the lead time to 7 days. I'll also set target completion to 30 days. This means when a job is created from this preset, the system automatically calculates a target date 30 days from the creation date. I'll leave ref and customer ref blank for now and set quoted hours to 2. Default notes. Here you can pre-fill any of the note sections. I'll type some standard text into job notes. Carry out annual boiler service in accordance with manufacturer guidelines. Check gas pressure, flue readings and safety devices. Complete gas safe record. This text will appear in the job's notes automatically. Default engineers. Here you can tick the engineers you want auto-assigned. I will select 2 engineers here. When a job is created from this preset, they'll be added as secondary engineers straight away. Default materials. Click Add Material row and I'll add a standard part. Boiler Service Kit, Quantity 1, Unit Price £12.50. This material line will be pre-populated on every job created from this preset. Default Miscellaneous. Click Add Misc row and I'll add a line item. Travel Charge, Quantity 1, Unit Price £25. Just like materials, this will appear automatically on every job created from this preset. Compliance checks. If you have any compliance checks set up, you can tick them here to auto-attach them. I'll tick Site Visit Compliance Check, so engineers must complete it before finishing the job. Certificates. Same idea. I'll tick Test, so the certificate template is attached ready for the engineer to complete. I'll skip Mates, Miscellaneous and Risk Assessments for this example, but they work the same way. Tick or add what you need, leave what you don't. Once you're happy, scroll down and click Create Preset. You'll be taken back to the presets list, and there's our new preset, Annual Boiler Service, showing the title, category, status, urgency, and lead time at a glance. From here you can also edit, duplicate, or delete any preset. Duplicating is useful when you want a variation. For example, duplicate Annual Boiler Service and rename it to Annual Boiler Service, Landlord, with slightly different notes. Now let's use it. Navigate to the Jobs page from the main menu. You'll notice the new Job button now has a small drop-down arrow next to it. This is the Split button. If you click the main New Job part, it creates a blank job exactly as before. Nothing has changed there. But if you click the drop-down arrow, you'll see a list headed From Preset with all your saved presets. I can see Annual Boiler Service listed here. Let's click it. The system creates the job with the next job number in your sequence, and then immediately applies everything from the preset. Let's have a look at what we've got. The title is already set to Annual Boiler Service. The category is Fire Test, status is In Progress, urgency is P2, and the lead time is 7 days. The target completion date has been calculated automatically, 30 days from today. If I scroll down to Notes, the description section already has our standard service instructions filled in. Down in Materials, the material line is there, Service Kit, with the correct quantity and price. And in Miscellaneous, the travel charge line is pre-populated too. The engineers are assigned, the Site Visit Compliance checklist is attached under Compliance, and the test certificate template is ready for the engineer to complete. All of that happened in one click. All you need to do now is assign a customer and site, and the job is ready to schedule. One last thing, the preset drop-down isn't just on the Jobs page. You'll find the same Split button wherever you create jobs in the system. On the customer page, the site page, site areas, equipment pages, and even when adding sub-jobs under projects. Wherever you see New Job with a drop-down arrow, your presets are available including on scheduled jobs. That's job presets. Set them up once, use them every day. It saves time, reduces errors, and makes sure every job starts with the right information from the beginning. If you have any questions, reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.